Is your Land Rover Discovery's alarm constantly going off? You're not alone. Common culprits include a faulty bonnet switch, a sensitive interior sensor, or key fob issues. The bonnet switch often corrodes due to moisture, triggering the alarm. Interior sensors can be overly sensitive. Key fobs may suffer from battery drain or signal interference. As of 2025, these problems are still widespread in 2017-2023 models. Diagnosing these issues early can prevent a lot of headaches. For the bonnet switch, first check for corrosion on the hood latch. Clean any rust or debris and test continuity with a multimeter. It should read 0 ohms when closed. If faulty, replace with an aftermarket switch. For interior sensors, access your infotainment system and adjust the sensitivity settings to ignore small pets or vibrations that might trigger false alarms. For key fob issues, replace the battery first. Also check for signal interference from strong EMF sources like power lines or mobile towers, which can cause false triggers. To reset the alarm ECU, cycle the ignition key 10 times, turn it to the on position and back without starting the engine. This can clear temporary glitches. If these fixes don't resolve the issue, seek professional diagnostics at a Land Rover service center.